Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, Tiger Technicians Hour coming up straight after this Tiger Financial News Network 10 a.m. update. Dow's up 99 points at 35,160 after making that missing leg D today. There it is at 35,246 all-time high in a way that takes out that right side arch, which was still in place from the candle of 2 days ago. And then yesterday was a big move up. Today to follow through. My concern is that the Dow makes a leg D and then closes much lower. And then we got to assess why, because the S&P, when I do my analysis, today's only a leg C, and the S&P, there should still be a D. It's got the chart wave stalk leg formation that went above the 44.29 high. So today's high, all-time high, is 4,440.82. Look at this, the QQQ. Now, there is an alternate count I'm going to discuss in my show coming up, the Tiger Technicians Hour. I'm calling it B for now. It made a leg B yesterday. It hasn't made a new high because in a sense, there are a lot of stocks within the NASDAQ 100, the Invesco QQQ Trust Series, that are not participating here. So the high yesterday has to be taken out. That was just under 370. It was 369.91, 369.92. That's going to be very important. It says that next week we should still go to slightly higher highs again in the Qs. Wow, what a mix we've got. IWM is was leading the pack. It's gone to leg D above the resistance line. It went to 225.21. Remember, I said it needs to be trading in the 223, 225 area. It says 222. Sneeze. 223. Excuse me. I should get this button. I work it out here so that we don't have the sneeze come on air. Anyway, so this is the IWM. Now, this is the big thing. Friday. What happens on Fridays? For years now, we've seen that on a Friday, gold can have a big move, and so many times it's been to the downside. Well, what's it doing today? Well, look at gold right now. Continuous contract coming up. A whopper of a down move, down 44 at 1764. One of the reasons why I had a whole show that I spoke about the Chapman Wave peak C1, peak C2, and what can happen if peak C3 fails. I'll be back in a moment. We'll talk about all of this and check out my opening call daily newsletter.
The reality